Welcome to my channel KATIETRADE. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe and activate the notification bell guys, so you don't miss it when I upload my videos every day.
I use Bollinger Bands indicators and MACD indicators. I open buy because the MACD indicator is very strong, giving a rising signal can be seen from the MACD line that looms, and above, and the green MACD candle lines bigger. Besides that also appears red candle correction in the market, and it means that the candle will get stronger up guys, so I'm open buy.
Profit guys. Thank you for watching my video. See you in my next video. Bye bye.